Welcome to Keco Tools and Training. Here at our Peterborough Training Centre, we pride ourselves on offering the most comprehensive PDR and GPR training in the industry. With over 50 years of combined experience in the field of PDR repair, we can take our trainees from novice to a level that allows confidence to pursue a career in paintless dent removal. Our Foundation PDR course follows a 4-week schedule that covers all aspects needed to build your career. These are broken down into day-to-day modules that allow progression and easy understanding. From the first day onwards, we will be teaching reflection and damage identification, tool selection and correct usage, tip selection for maximum efficiency, how to remove high spots for flat factory finish, restricted and enclosed repair methods, swage line repair techniques. We also cover basic trim removal for trainees who may have limited experience. In addition to this, we include many new modern repair methods such as glue pull repair and glue pull reduction. To help future-proof our trainees to modern vehicle technologies, we teach awareness of repairing vehicles with advanced driver assistance systems and the more popular electric hybrid vehicles. This is complemented with an Institute for the Motor Industry accredited exam, which, if successful, allows trainees to safely work on electric hybrid vehicles. To top off our foundation course, we help guide our trainees on how to approach building product pricing structures and tips on how to promote and build your business. Keco Tools and Training's dedicated friendly team will help support you all throughout your training and beyond, making your experience with us fun, friendly and relaxed. To find out more about our PDR Foundation course or any of our other courses, please visit kecotabs.co.uk or contact us on 01733 902 513 or via email to training@kecotabs.co.uk.